Hey guys, what's happening? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a small update of what's been going on. I've actually been in the wood shop and been redid this transformer stand that I have for my Easy Command Control Center. Before, it was a lot of old wood that was splitting down the sides. What I decided to was repair the legs and repair the cleat. The only thing that was replaced was this front. This is like a piece of birch that I was able to reclaim. It's 2 coats of cherry stain, Minwax cherry stain, and 2 coats of Minwax polycryl, which is semi-gloss clear coat. 2 holes for the wires. This one I need to enlarge a little bit, which is not a big deal. But as you can see, there are no nails and no screws involved. The only thing that's used to hold everything together is Titebond 2. Painted the legs. All this mostly was held on with wood glue hot glue at one point. That was all scraped off and replaced with Titebond glue. So this one is done. Now we shift to the other side. And I also made one for the G-gauge set as well. This, I actually used some scrap pieces of pine that I had out in the shop. Same procedure, but just made a little bit smaller. Little piece of reclaimed pine. The supports I had used on something else, and I was able to get 2 triangles out of it. And had some clear on it, so I just scuffed it up a little bit with some 100 grit, put a coat of cherry stain on it to fill in the gaps, then put some clear poly right over top, clear polycrylic. But for pine, 2 and 2. 2 coats of stain, 2 coats of clear, and this piece was just a piece of scrap I was getting ready to throw in the trash, and I was able to make this small cleat. Once again, no nails, no screws, just Titebond to hold it all together. And some time in the furnace room as well. So if you're ever in the wood shop and you're working on something, it's a stain project, it involves paint, stain, whatever, and you want a nice baked on smooth finish, stick it in the furnace room for a few hours and it will get it nice and smooth too. So definitely a changer there. Plus it dries better in the furnace room when it's warm and the air is pretty dry. So definitely a little bit of a shop trick there for you. But I tell you, I'm really pleased with these stands. I'm also working on one for the TMCC remote. That'll be stand number 3. So I've got 3 of them that are 2 of the 3 built. I also have the other one that just received its clear coat today. Well, the first coat, and I'm letting that one sit overnight to get that good and hard. So that's a little update of what's been going on. I did an unboxing video of my latest GP18. That video is in the process of getting worked on, as well as some of the other products I'm getting caught up on after the holidays. So definitely another busy time as we close out 2021 and we enter 2022. So anyway, guys, that concludes this little update video. I will do another update when this stand is built, and then we'll be able to go from there on that. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the update, and I thank you guys for watching.